Hello, welcome to WC YouTube channel. In last video, I showed you how to make a fudge noise with your hands, like this. Today, I'll show you another trick. Is to make a popping sound with your hand and finger, like this. This trick has two versions, one simple version and the advanced version. Let's get started with the simple version first. Alright, to do this trick, you need to put your index finger between the index finger and middle finger of your another hand, like this. You should touch the thin skin between the two fingers and then place your two hands on your face, like this. And then pull your index finger out like this, and then you'll make a popping sound. Some of you may not make the sound because you are not moving your finger in a correct way. You may just pulling out your finger like this, but this is wrong. You need to make your finger curl when you're pulling out, like scratching, like this. Let's try. Curl your finger while you're pulling out. You need to practice it for a few times, and then you can put your fingers on your face and try again. Alright, let's get started with the advanced version. In the advanced version, you just need your two hands without using your face. What you need to do is to put your index finger between the thumb and index finger of your another hand, like this. Like the simple version, you need to touch the skin between the thumb and index finger in this advanced version. Then you need to close the gap between thumb and index finger as much as you can, like this. Once you're ready, you can pull out your finger like the simple version. Then you make the sound. If you are unable to make the sound, it should be because the skin between your thumb and index finger is too tight. So you're unable to close the gap between the two fingers. And then what you need to do is to keep practice. And then the skin will finally be loosened up like this. And then you can try and then make a sound. If you like this trick, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.